First, I want to say thank you to Moose Toys for sending us these toys for free. Greetings, Rocketeers! This is your toy commander, and are you guys ready for today's mission? Great, so am I!
Planet Zizzle!
Bingo, Bluey, time to get up. Rise and shine.
And don't forget to brush your teeth this morning. Good morning, Bluey. Good morning, Bingo. Let's go eat.
Do you girls want anything else for breakfast besides your fresh fruit?
No thanks, Daddy. We're good.
Alright, I'll just close this fridge here. And how is your breakfast this morning, girls?
Delicious. We love fresh fruit. What would you girls like to do today? Well, it is really hot. Can we go to the pool?
I think that's a great idea.
Yay! Woo! I love water. Okay, everybody, into the car.
Don't forget to put on your seatbelt. Come on, girls, let's go. Hurry now.
Coming!
You got your seatbelts on, girls?
Yes, Mommy, all set. Let's go.
We're here. All right, girls, time to swim. Last one in is the rotten egg. Okay, girls, I'll go in first to make sure the water is not too cold. Come on in, everyone. The water is beautiful.
Wait for me, Daddy. Whee! Come on, Bingo. I'm coming. Wait for me. Whee! It's too deep for me. I'm going in the little end.
Come on, Mom.
I'm coming. Ooh, is the water cold? Whee! It's lovely. Splash, splash, whee! Mommy, can we go to the playground? Well, of course you can, Bingo. Can I go on the swing first?
All right, Bingo.
Whee! Whee! Can I try, Bingo? Sure, Bluey. Woo-hoo! This is so much fun. You're right, Bingo.
Who wants to go on the merry-go-round?
Daddy, I think I hurt my leg.
Let me take a look at that, Bingo. It looks fine. You'll be okay. How about we get you an ice cream?
Yay! I love ice cream. Where's Bingo?
She said something about going to get some ice cream.
I hope she comes back soon. Here I am. Ice cream here, ice cream.
Bingo, I didn't know you had an ice cream stand.
Yep, I sure do. It's my summer job.
Wait a minute, where's Bluey?
She said she had to go to work. She has a job too? Here I am, guys. I'm coming.
Bluey, is that you? In a garbage truck?
This is my summer job. And here's my friend, the Bin Man.
Hey guys, you want to see me do my job? Well, certainly. Hello, Bin Man. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, sir. Time to load up the trash barrel. All right, bring her up, folks. I'll just pick these up. Here we go, all clean.
Come on, Bluey, it's time to go. Wait for me, Bin Man.
Great job today, Bluey and Mr. Bin Man.
We are so proud of Bingo and Bluey for doing their jobs.
Bye guys, I'll see you at home.
Time to go home, everyone. It's getting late.
You can drive home today. I'm tired.
How was your day today? It was so much fun, Nana. We went to the pool. We went to the playground.
We also got some delicious ice cream from Bingo's ice cream stand, and we saw Bluey emptying the trash today, too.
Sounds like you two had a very fun day today. Time to get ready for bed now. Ah, bed. I don't want to go to bed. Me neither.
It's getting late, and we need to get some sleep.
And don't forget to go brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. We already did this morning. You need to brush your teeth twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening before bed. Okay. Good night, Mom, Dad, and Nana.
Good night, girls. See you in the morning.
Alright friends, that's it for today's video. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, smash that like button, and come back to Planet Zizzle to keep the missions going. This is your Toy Commander signing off, and I'll see you guys on our next mission. It's now time for me to blast off out of here.